Let's talk about leaky gut syndrome and some causes of leaky gut that you may have never thought about. I've got 10 shocking causes of leaky gut. Let's go through them on this chart. Okay, circadian rhythm disruption. What does this mean? Well, this means that maybe you stay up late at night and you've got lights on or you're watching a screen. Well, that's sending mixed messages to your gut, and your gut actually gives off light, and that gut microbiome is very much in tune with the light and dark cycle of the day, your circadian rhythms. So that can really offset the proper functioning of your gut when you have the wrong light at the wrong time of day. Okay, number two, another cause is EMF exposure. So electromagnetic fields, and I'm talking about the man-made ones, and this is again your cell phone, it's your devices, it's the Wi-Fi in your home, in your office, can offset the proper functioning of your gut and can cause leaky gut syndrome. Studies have shown that EMF exposure actually can exacerbate the growth of some of the less favorable organisms in your gut and kill off some of your good probiotics at the same time. Okay, number three, another cause of leaky gut could be certain medications. So non-steroidal anti-inflammatories that you take for your headache or for pain and inflammation, that achy knee or elbow joint that you have can cause micro tears in your gut and lead to leaky gut syndrome. So just being aware of that. Heavy metals also found in a lot of medications can be a causative factor for leaky gut syndrome. Okay, another one on my list is strenuous exercise. So a lot of people are like, yoo-hoo, this is great. I don't have to exercise too strenuously. It's going to cause leaky gut. Well, there of course is a balance with everything, but overdoing it can actually be very disruptive to your normal gut function. So just taking it easy, if you are that marathon runner or somebody who overtrains, you don't want to be doing that, especially if you have leaky gut and symptoms with your digestion. Okay, number five is alcohol. So yes, we know that too much consumption of alcohol can definitely disrupt our normal gut function and wipe out a lot of our good guys, our probiotics in the gut. So just limiting and being mindful of our alcohol consumption, especially if you do have symptoms of leaky gut or maybe even autoimmunity, that is something to think about. Okay, another cause of leaky gut is less favorable organisms, as you can see down here. Of course, can have really negative effects on the proper functioning of your gut and the proper balance of your gut microbiome. Okay, another one, stress. We all know that stress is a big killer. Well, stress also affects our gut and can be a causative factor for leaky gut. Sunlight deficiency. So not enough people are talking about the fact that if you're not getting enough natural sunlight exposure, this can really offset the proper functioning of that gut microbiome. Remember, your gut is programmed to the light and dark cycle of the day. Getting UV as well as red light, infrared light on your gut is very helpful for actually healing up your gut. Synthetic vitamin C and other synthetic vitamins can actually cause leaky gut. Yeah, so you want to be really aware if you are taking a lot of supplements, or any supplement for that matter, that it doesn't contain fillers, flow agents. The type of vitamin that it is, in this case a synthetic vitamin C, is not the same as getting a whole food source for your vitamins and minerals in your diet from food sources. So that becomes very different. Always, if you are taking supplements, always look for a whole food supplement. And of course, without the fillers and flow agents, it's going to be so much better for your gut. And of course, some deficiencies. So maybe it's vitamin D deficiency or a zinc deficiency can also be linked to that leaky gut. Now, if you want to learn more about some good supplements that can actually help that leaky gut, I want you to check out another video that I have, 7 best supplements for leaky gut. I'll see you there.